Zulu. Wind 22010, gust
You see the
23.
audio waveform?
Oh, yeah.
What I have to do so that I can synchronize that with the video later is clap my hands so that the audio going through the air batch cable into the iPhone can be synced up with the video later.
On initial contact, Jeff Oscar. And I'm report.
Okay. Brakes work. Thank you. Hanover ground, Cherokee 565901. Northeast Tees, taxi run up with Oscar.
Cherokee 5901, Hanover ground, runway 24, taxi via Alpha.
24 via Alpha 591. Do you hear that high pitch whine? That's something new with this new radio. Doors and windows are closed and locked. Parking brake is set. Light controls. Very incorrect. Instruments set. And are we doing some pattern work first?
I would think that's a reasonable idea.
Okay. Hanover Tower, Cherokee 565901. Ready, runway 24, close traffic.
Cherokee 5901, Hanover Tower, make left. Cherokee 5901, Hanover Tower, make left traffic, runway 24, clear for takeoff. Wind 24010, gust 23.
Clear for takeoff, left traffic, 591.
Oh, it's right down the runway. Not going to be any challenge. Feel how your back wheels were starting to want to lift a little early?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so you can just ease back on the yoke a little bit, and or, I mean, the trim's probably just a little bit more forward than it ought to be.
Okay.
But, by the way, there may be some wind shear. I'll turn this. So if you had a gust in this situation that started to roll you left, remember you can put a little right rudder in too to help bring it back up. But wow, were we ever getting pushed?
See that push happening.
Yeah. So I think what you did, turning final early was a wise decision, so I'm just kind of bring you up there. I'd rather see you do that than be way out on the other side trying to correct it back.
Right.
Let's just set power at 16 and fly it. And see your runway numbers, just get them stuck in your window just like you'd have your horizon line. Drive it right up the numbers.
And my airspeed's going up.
Okay, well, then come back on the power.
Okay.
Keep your nose down. Let it fly in. There you go. Yeah, I'm okay with 90 on the airspeed right now. Yep, good. Okay. Now, see your nose is off to the left. Good. Center it up. Nice. Nice. Keep the right foot in. Yep. Good. Keep the nose up. Nose up. Keep the nose up. Power out. Keep the nose up. There you go. Good landing.
Yep.
You can see as we get down behind the hangars and the trees that are disrupting the wind, you gotta keep moving the controls around. It's not set it and forget it kind of thing. Right. Whatever input you need to keep it going down the center, and that's exactly what you did.
Good.
We could go drop it into Honey Acres if you want.
Okay.
That'll be north-south.
Cherokee 56591 on final for 18 unankers.
Very nice control on my guns.
Good. So it's the second set of triple guns.
Exactly. Keep it to the right here. Just as an FYI, if we stay real still, maybe they won't notice we're here, but there's some monster sandhill cranes over there.
Oh yeah, wow.
In fact, I'm not sure those aren't ostriches, but
Those are very large.
yeah. They don't appear to be going anywhere at the moment. I hope they can that way. Oh shoot, there they go. Yeah, hold, abort. That was nice. I want to practice aborted takeoffs at some point too.
Turn around.
No, we got nothing.
Okay.
Alright.
Good to go.
Clear for takeoff. Unauthorized birds in the vicinity. Just have to watch them on the downwind. Have any mischief in mind? Remember, you got a little right crosswind here. That's gonna want some right foot. Are you all the way back? Okay. Alright, push it into ground effect. Keep it there. Keep it there. Nice. There you go. Okay. You can release one click of flaps here.